Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. Today in this video, I am going to give you a little concept from your textbook, The Footprint Without Feet. The name of the chapter is Holi. This is the story written by K.A. Abbas. The full name of K.A. Abbas is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. He was born on 7 June 1914 and he took his last breath or died on 1st June 1987. He is popular for two reasons. He was very popular in Bollywood, Hindi cinema. He worked in Bollywood as a director and as a screenwriter. As a director, he was given National Film Award for Best Feature Film on National Integration. He has directed many films. Here are some films that I am going to discuss with you. First is Dharti Ke Lal. It was released in 1946. Second, Sher Aur Sapnan. It is the second film directed by K. Abbas, released in 1963. Third, Pardesi. It was released in 1957. Fourth, Saath Hindustani is a very famous and popular film, released in 1969. And Do Bund Pani, it is released in 1972. Secondly, he was also popular as a screenwriter. He wrote many films. Some of the films, they are very popular, whose names are here. Naya Sansar. It was written by him and released in 1941. Second, Jaagte Raho, published in 1956. Third, Awara. It is released in 1951. Sri 420, very popular film, released in 1955. Next is Mera Naam Joker. It was released in 1970. Next is Bobby. It is really very popular film, written by K. Abbas, published in 1973. And Hina, it was released in 1991. Well, so as a director and as a screenwriter, he was very popular in Hindi Bollywood film, and he just left his footprint that is still commemorated in the film Jagat, in film world. This story, Bholi, consisting just of Bholi, is a very nice story written by K. Abbas, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. He knows some issues and evils of society in this story. The issues are here. The first is discrimination against the child. It is written here. Second is child marriage. Third issue is importance of girls' education, and here the girls are discriminated for education, especially in 1960s to 1980s. Third is, there is a very great problem of our country, that is dowry system. This issue is also rose by K.M. Bass in this story Boli. And besides thus that, he also knows the issues that the fairness of girl is very important in this modern world. Well, the story having three basic characters. First is Ramlal. Ramlal is a registrar. He has 7 offsprings, 4 daughters and 3 sons. He has sent his sons to the city for education, first in schools, then to village, then to colleges. After that, the girls, Ramlal have 4 girls. The name of first girl is Radha. Name of second girl is Mangla. Third is Champa. And fourth and last is Sulekha. Sulekha, the nickname of Sulekha is Bholi. Ramlal was a nambardar in a village. He was well-to-do man. He was government official. He had married all his daughters. There is no problem took place whenever he settled his 3 daughters. But Bholi is a very simple. 2 things take place when Bholi was a small child. At the age of 10 months, Bholi fell from court and stuck with head, and she became backward. At the age of 2 years, she suffered from smallpox and she had black pock marks all over her body except his 2 eyes. That is why she had become completely disfigured. Bholi did not talk for 5 years. When she started talking, she stammered whenever she used to talk. She had been discriminated not only at home for backwardness, for ugliness, but also by some girls of her age. Bholi was not treated well. Bholi did not talk because the girls used to make fun of her. So she did not talk. She became very simple, just like as a calf. Once, after the marriage of her last daughter, third daughter Champa, Bholi became 7 years at that time. There is a Tehsildar who came to the village to open a government school in that village. When he came, he told Ramlal that he should send her daughters to school so that all the girls of that village will go to the school and the school will run properly. Same night, when Ramlal was talking to her wife, his wife, that he decided to send Bholi to school, his wife disagreed at first. My dear student, this is a great irony that a woman is going against her own child, her own girl child, that she should not be educated. In fact, she was thinking about the social dignity, social respect. At that time, people have narrow-mindedness because they did not think that girls should be given education, girls should send to school. At last, Ramlal decided to send Bholi to school. When Bholi was taken to school, Bholi did not know anything about the school and what the school was. She was thinking that as her cow Lakshmi was taken to the market and sold, similarly she might be. So she just left the hand and went back home. At last, Ramlal told his wife to prepare and put on a good dress. This is the first time Bholi was given a good dress left by Mangla or Champa that she used to put on and went to school. Ramlal left and handed Bholi to the headmistress. The headmistress just told her to sit at the back of the classroom. Bholi sat over there. Just Bholi was watching on the wall. On the wall, she saw there is a cow drawing on the wall. Bholi just compared the cow to that Lakshmi. Secondly, Bholi saw a goat. The goat was also same as the goat of neighbor. Thirdly, Bholi just saw a drawing of parrot. The parrot was similar to the parrot in the mango tree in her village. After when the bell rang, all the students went out of the class. Bholi did not. Bholi was sitting over there. The teacher came and asked, "What is your name?" Bholi stammered. But she tried her name. At last, the teacher understood her problem and assured her that she could speak better than the other girls. She could be good learned. She would be the bold. So the teacher gave her a book full of picture and there is name of each picture is written in bold letter and assured that she would give the another book after that. Listening this console by the teacher, Bholi felt hope. Bholi had expectation in life. She was never ever given respect at home. She was disrespected at home, but the teacher had a sympathy for her at school. So she thought that she can do something better. The expectation just came into her life, good hope. She became optimistic to do something well. This is the first part. In the next part, next video, my dear student, I will teach you why Ramlal and his wife became ready to get her daughter married with a lame old man. And why did Bholi rose her voice against the social issues like dowry system, child discrimination, second marriage, and set an example in the city, in the society, that girl has also right to do something. Till then, boys, thank you very much. Wait for the second video. Very soon I will come with the second video in which I will teach you the rest of things. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you.